Oh my Lanza. Who got that? Whose is that? Good job, Snowflake. Okay, hold on. Let's say I try it. All right, guys. It's not like Dave and Buster's. The games are more expensive here. Wait, Zion. She's trying it again, guys. Nope. Zion's turn to play something.
For tickets.
All right, guys. Here we go.
I didn't put it back.
Mommy, I want to get one for you, Mommy.
Guys, put it down below. I think I'm gonna get it. Oh, I got one.
You got a blue one.
Okay, let's not even try it.
Ah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
Don't get the pink duck, Zaire. Because I'm going to get that one. That's why.
Zaya is being strategic, guys. Will she get the duck? Maybe. Still got to bounce.
What are they doing? I want to do 2 times. Mom, no. Oh, I did 2 times. I did 1 time.
This thing keeps moving and we did not put any more money in it, guys. What is going on here? Come on, buddy. Show us what you got. Do it one more time, bud. One more time.
They pull me in like a black hole, always looming on the horizon.
Come on. Come on.
I am back.
All right. She got the duck.
Mommy, you have a duck, Sonia has a duck, and Zaya got a duck.
You got to try, buddy. Go ahead and keep trying. Zaya, you got your duck? Zaya got another duck? Oh my gosh. Okay, Zion, go ahead and try. I'm not going to swipe all our money in here. Buddy got a duck. Good job, bud.
Mommy, you got 2 ducks yet.
Guys, that game was broke for like 10 minutes. So we just kept playing it. We have fun, guys. How many ducks did you guys get? 2. I got 1. Okay, cool beans, cool beans. Go ahead, Zay. Go, Zay. Go, Zay. Go ahead, try to get it, bud. Oh my gosh, guys, it's going crazy. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. All right, guys. Well, that is it. That wraps it up for the arcade. We had a good time. Did you have a good time, Sam? Yeah. Nice surprise? Yeah, all right, guys. We're not sure what we're doing for the rest of the day. It's still early. Let's see. It's 2 o'clock. So we'll see what we're doing next, guys. We'll catch you on the flip side.